Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about fungal infection. One more is a cutaneous mycosis. Cutaneous mycosis, it is a extend deeper into the epidermis. This fungal infection occur in the deeper part, deeper part of the skin, especially deeper into epidermis. Extend to deeper into epidermis. It occurs in the epidermis. This occurs the epidermis, and here it is including the it is occurs in the nail nail, and the next one skin is occur, and this disease is restricted to the keratinized layers. It is occurs in the layers of the keratin keratin protein. And the next one, it is depends upon the host immune system. Also it develop the depends upon the host immune system. In case of host immune cell, it containing the low immune power, it easily develop. So that one is known as a cutaneous mycosis. Example is the dermatophytosis. Dermatophytosis. So the dermatophytosis, it is a tropotosis or fungal infection. It is a tropotosis or fungal infection of keratin. It is occurs in the fungal infection in the keratin protein, and the keratin protein is occur in our body, especially nails and skin. The next one, the dermatophytosis is the molds is the required the keratin nutrition must live on the starter corneum, and the next one hair, nail, and to survive. How to development of the dermatophytosis? So it developed by the nutrition. The nutrition is occur from the stratum corneum, hair, and nails, and to survive their development with the using of the nutrition. That nutrition is collected from the stratum corneum and hair, nails. So the human infection is caused by the human infection is caused by the different types of causes are there. So mode of transmission, how to transmission of the diseases. Mode of transmission, the mode of transmission is especially transmission is a person to one person to another person, or animal to person. So the next one, soil to person. This is the mode of transmission. And the next one, what is the symptoms of this particular cutaneous mycosis, especially dermatophytosis? What is the symptoms? So symptoms is first one is it is a mildly itching. Itching is occur, mildly itching on the scaling. And the next one, it is occasionally inflammation is more survive, and the manifestation sudden vascular is or balloon like diseases is occur on our body. It is the inflammation also occur in our body. The next one, how to diagnosis. So with the using of the potassium hydroxide KOH solution, and the next one, culture test. These two tests are the determination of the fungi. So cutaneous mycosis. And the next one, it is the next, what is the treatment? What is the treatment? So treatment is the first one is we are using the antifungal drugs. Antifungal drugs, or we are most using the this type of control this type of infections. And the next one, we are using the topical applications also. Topical applications like ointments, creams, gels also we are using, especially this especially treatment of for the dermatophytosis, and we are using the corticosteroids also. Corticosteroids. So these are the involved in there in our body, especially treatment of dermatophytosis. And one more important example is the dermatophytosis, and second one is the candidiasis. Candidiasis. So candidiasis, this is your homework, and write about this candidiasis, like what is the candidiasis, and what is the symptoms, how to diagnosis, how to treatment, and how to transmission of candidiasis. So this is about you. This is about the candidiasis. That's your homework. So this is about the dermatophytosis. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.